Welcome everybody, this is video number 5, all about volume. So first of all, let's start off with a definition of volume. So volume is the amount of space taken up by an object, and this can be either for a solid, liquid, or a gas. Now when you're talking about units with volume, you are going to use milliliters in class. You guys are probably pretty used to liters. If you ever get a big thing of soda, those come in 2-liter bottles. That is the SI, remember that international unit that all scientists use to talk to each other. The lab equipment you're going to be using is beakers. Remember we said they weren't very precise, they're not very accurate for measuring, they're good for holding stuff. An Erlenmeyer flask would also not be a good choice. They're good for actually seeing reactions or mixing things together. And then a graduated cylinder is the best, and that's the one all the way on the end. So when you go to do the volume of a liquid, simply use a graduated cylinder. Make sure you use your 3 steps, so flat surface, eye level, bottom of the meniscus, and make sure you record with the units. Oh, whoopsie, that says grams, that should say milliliters. And volume of a solid, so you can, volume of, and this should say an irregular solid, this is done by something called volume by displacement, and I'll show you a video clip here in a minute that'll actually show you how to do it. So basically what you do is you fill a graduated cylinder and record the amount. Now I'm saying 50 milliliters. If you were to do 60, that's fine too. Just make sure you record it. You add that irregular shaped solid, so in this case it's a key that we have here, and then record the volume again, and then you subtract the filled minus the empty, and then you get the volume of your irregular shaped object. Alright, so here's the YouTube clip. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that clip and it showed you a little bit about volume by displacement. So here is your summary. Make sure you define volume. Make sure you say that you know how to find the volume of both a solid and a liquid. And don't forget that volume by displacement is good for an irregular shaped object. And don't forget about the units we talked about, the ones we're going to use in class versus the SI units. Alright, see you guys in class.